This tractor can pull this trailer, but if they put a weight on the front, it could pull it up the hill. Just spinning like that? I'm seriously worried about the drivetrain. When the engine keeps revving high without gripping the ground, it heats up, fast. We're talking real risk of overheating. That kind of stress shaves years off the engine's life. And if the wheels keep digging, they'll just pack down snow or ice tighter, or worse, burrow into the ground. That's a one-way ticket to a deeper rut.